Did you know that some common cleaning mistakes can attract negative energies and block the flow of prosperity in your life? In this video, we will explore 10 cleaning mistakes that, according to Buddhist teachings, can invite bad luck and even poverty. These habits are often practiced daily without us even realizing, and they can prevent you from achieving balance and abundance. If you feel that things are not flowing, or that there are blockages in your financial and emotional life, some of these mistakes might be influencing you more than you imagine. The best part of this video is that you'll learn to identify and correct these simple mistakes, bringing more harmony and prosperity to your home and life. Have you ever wondered why some homes seem to repel good opportunities, while others attract fortune and peace? Stay tuned until the end to discover how making simple adjustments in your cleaning routine can transform the energy in your environment, making room for good vibes and abundance. Take a moment now to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment with a positive affirmation. Something like, "I deserve to live in prosperity and harmony," to start attracting good energy right away. Your interaction is important and helps this content reach more people. Cleaning goes beyond a simple household activity. According to Buddhist teachings, it's a powerful spiritual practice. The way we maintain our environment directly reflects our mental and emotional state. When we live surrounded by clutter and dirt, we also accumulate stagnant energy that hinders the flow of prosperity and harmony. A disorganized space can block opportunities and create a sense of heaviness and discouragement, affecting our ability to make decisions and attract good things. In Buddhism, cleanliness paves the way for energetic renewal and is essential for cultivating a clear and balanced mind. A clean environment is not only pleasant, but essential to attract good luck and abundance. Many spiritual teachers say that karma can manifest in the space where we live. Just as we cultivate good actions to generate positive outcomes, a well-maintained home generates vibrations that attract prosperity and protect against adversity. Dirt and clutter, on the other hand, act as magnets for negativity, blocking the flow of vital energy. Therefore, the way you care for your environment is an extension of your self-care. Keeping your home organized and energetically clean is an invitation for prosperity and well-being to enter your life. Now that you understand how the environment in which we live directly influences our energy and the opportunities we attract, it's time to learn about the mistakes you might be making that block prosperity. Each of these mistakes hides common pitfalls that, if not corrected, can negatively impact your financial and emotional life. One of the most common and impactful mistakes is keeping broken items or things that no longer serve a purpose in your home. According to Buddhist teachings, everything around us carries energy, and when something is damaged, it retains negative vibrations that disrupt the natural flow of prosperity. Objects that are no longer functional symbolize stagnant energy and attachments to the past, preventing new and positive things from entering your life. Additionally, keeping items you don't use sends a message of scarcity and attachment to the universe. When we hold on to what's old or broken, we fail to make room for new possibilities and resources. This stagnation is not just physical, but also energetic and emotional. Buddhism teaches the importance of detachment and knowing when to release what no longer serves us. By eliminating broken or unused objects, you symbolically create space for abundance to manifest in your life. Every time you discard or donate an item that has no use, you renew the energy around you and tell the universe that you are ready to receive better things. Another common mistake that attracts poverty is allowing trash to accumulate in your space. Waste, especially organic waste, carries dense energy that stagnates and blocks the flow of good vibes. Even small items randomly tossed around the house can contribute to a charged, unproductive atmosphere. Beyond negative energy, accumulated trash is a symbol of disorder and neglect, which repels prosperity and attracts problems. In Buddhism, clean and organized spaces favor the arrival of good opportunities, while dirt and waste block the circulation of vital energy. Another commonly overlooked mistake is keeping mirrors dirty or out of place, which can block positive energy and affect prosperity. Mirrors are powerful energy portals that reflect the surrounding environment. However, when they are smudged or broken, they create a distorted reflection that directly affects your mental clarity and luck. Dirty mirrors can create internal blockages, generating confusion and a lack of clarity in decision-making. Broken mirrors carry a vibration of bad luck and emotional fragmentation. Forgetting to clean corners and baseboards is another common mistake that stagnates energy and blocks the flow of positive vibrations. In Buddhism, lack of attention to small details represents hidden problems and internal obstacles that can hinder prosperity. Corners and baseboards symbolize areas of life that are neglected, and when these areas do not receive attention, the energy is blocked, which can manifest as financial or project stagnation. Keeping dirty or worn bedding and towels at home can also repel prosperity. In Buddhism, it is believed that anything that comes into direct contact with the body also influences our personal energy. Old or poorly maintained items retain stagnant vibrations that can manifest as discouragement, fatigue, and financial difficulties. Bedding and towels symbolize comfort and renewal, and when they are clean, they convey a sense of freshness and well-being. Other mistakes, such as keeping dirty brooms or storing them upside down, also have negative symbolism in Buddhism, as they can block the entry of good energies into the home. The broom is seen as an object that cleans both physical space and the energy of the environment. However, when dirty or improperly stored, it can function in the opposite way, blocking the entry of good vibrations. Keeping dead or neglected plants inside the house is another silent yet powerful mistake. Plants are symbols of growth and life renewal. However, when they are not well cared for or are dying, they emit vibrations of decay and lack of vitality, affecting the flow of prosperity and creating a sense of stagnation in the environment. Finally, one of the most underestimated yet essential mistakes for keeping energy flowing is forgetting to open windows regularly to allow air to renew. Stagnant air inside the house represents stagnant energy, which can affect not only the residents' physical health, but also their mental state and flow of opportunities. The good news is that all these mistakes can be corrected with simple, practical changes in your routine. Correcting these habits is more than just an organizational task. It's a conscious act of care for yourself and your space. Every small adjustment in your physical environment contributes to renewing the energy around you and opening space for new opportunities and prosperity. Detachment is also fundamental. Letting go of broken items, dead plants, and worn clothing can be a challenge, but it is necessary to make room for the new. Do a regular sorting of the items in your home, keeping only what truly adds value and joy to your life. You can also incorporate energy purification rituals, such as using incense, scented candles, and Buddhist mantras to attract good vibrations and keep a harmonious home. Remember that the environment around you is a reflection of your inner state, and caring for it is the first step toward a fuller life. Keeping an energetically healthy home is not a task that you do once and forget about. Regularity is essential to keep positive energy flowing. When you adopt a constant routine, even with small daily gestures, you prevent your home's energy from becoming heavy and avoid undesirable situations from recurring. By making these small but significant changes, you're not only creating a cleaner and more organized space, but also fostering an environment that attracts positive energy, prosperity, and harmony. Remember, your home is a sanctuary that reflects your inner state, and as you care for it, you are nurturing your own well-being and inviting abundance into your life. Let each step in this process be a reminder of your commitment to living with intention, clarity, and prosperity. So take a deep breath, visualize the positive energy filling every corner of your home, and step forward into a life of balance and abundance. Embrace these teachings and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. May your journey to prosperity be fulfilling, peaceful, and prosperous.